Today we're talking about the 5 remote online notary platforms that actually matter in 2026. I'm gonna say something that might sound obvious, but trust me, a lot of notaries actually don't think about this. The platform that you choose for your remote online notarizations can literally make or break your business. Because if you're working a 9 to 5, juggling kids, managing a notary side hustle, and literally all other things that life has to throw at you, the last thing that you want to be worried about is managing a buggy software, waiting around hoping that sessions come through, or spending hours on admin work for one session. You need a platform that actually brings business to you or gets out of the way so that you can focus on actually running and building your notary business. But here's the thing. The number 1 platform on this list might actually surprise you because it's number 1 for a reason that you probably haven't thought of. Hey Blueprint fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sierra and I'm a licensed paralegal, notary, and business coach dedicated to helping notaries across Canada and the USA build profitable and sustainable notary businesses. So quick thing before we dive in, if you are getting value from this video, go ahead and tap the like button and drop a comment for me down below letting me know what remote online notary platform are you currently using or which ones are you currently eyeing and thinking about going with. Not only does interacting with this video actually help the algorithm to push this content out to more notaries who need it, but I actually genuinely appreciate all of the engagement, the likes, the comments, the shares, everything, and I read all of my comments, I promise. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Now's the time. And turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss a single video that I post. Now, some quick context before we dive into my top 5 remote online notary platforms for 2026. Ron has honestly gone completely mainstream. We are so far past the is this even legal phase because now over 45 states and several provinces, including Ontario, BC, and Quebec, now have enacted permanent laws to ensure that this is a service that can be provided within those jurisdictions. And enterprise clients like banks and insurance companies, real estate firms, wealth management firms, they're not asking notaries if they do Ron anymore, they're assuming that you do. So whether you're already deep in Ron or just thinking about getting started, understanding which platform best fits your life and business model really is the move. So let's get into it. Okay, so platform number 1, and I'm putting this one first because it represents a different approach to remote online notarization, not just a different website, and this is OneNotary. OneNotary is built for enterprise clients. We're talking DocuSign, Morgan Stanley, Liberty Mutual, Amazon, but here's what makes them different. They're not a marketplace where signers come to find a notary. It's actually the opposite. They bring curated, professionally trained notaries to their enterprise clients' workflow. So how do you actually get clients from them? You don't go and find clients on OneNotary. Those clients come to you. You work scheduled shifts or scheduled assignments, and you get to choose the availability that works for you. So for example, you could do Tuesday evenings, Saturday mornings, literally whatever works for you with the balance of your 9 to 5 and all else that life has going on for you. And when their enterprise clients need notarizations, OneNotary goes ahead and routes that session to you. So there's no sitting around refreshing a screen. There's no competing with thousands of notaries for one single call. You show up for your shift, you do the work, and then you're out of there. Now, what does it actually pay? The interesting thing about OneNotary is their income is based and structured around guaranteed hourly income. Now, the only trade-off here is that you don't have flexibility in terms of what you can actually charge those clients that you're going to be notarizing documents for, but I honestly feel this is pretty good because you are going to have, again, a guaranteed time block that you are going to be able to do those notarizations and get that income, which I think is really important, especially if you are somebody that is trying to transition from being an employee with a notary side hustle to becoming a full-time notary business owner. Why does signer experience matter so much here? Now, this is the part that I think is actually really smart about their business model. So if you think about it, their customers that are coming to get documents notarized, that's going to be on behalf of, let's say, a bank or an insurance company. And so that person that needs a document notarized, they just know that they're doing the notarization through the bank or through the insurance provider. And so whatever that signer experience is like is going to reflect on that brand. They don't know that it's OneNotary behind this, orchestrating all of the notarizations for them. And so the reason why I think this business model is really smart is because OneNotary's response to making sure that notarizations aren't confusing and extremely slow and just time consuming and just overall a hassle for the customers that are getting notarizations done is to ensure that the process is really smooth, has clear instructions, easy to follow. You can connect with the notary in less than a minute. The notarizations themselves typically take about 5 minutes. You have a calm professional experience and there is no confusion. And for enterprise clients, that type of experience for their customers isn't optional. Bottom line, if you want enterprise level clients delivered to you, on-demand assignments you can control, and predictable supplemental income without having to hustle and chase after every single booking, then OneNotary is worth a serious look. Now, platform number 2 is Proof, which a lot of people commonly know as Notarize, and honestly, that name isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Proof is basically the OG of RON. They have been around since 2017. They've helped push legislation across several states to make sure that it is legalized, and they have one of the largest notary networks out there. So if RON had a founding father, this would probably be it. So how does Proof work for notaries? Proof runs on an on-demand queue, and so the way you can think of this is when somebody needs a notarization, they go onto the platform, they request a notary, and then the available notaries that are there in the queue are able to take the call. Now this is great because it gives you pure flexibility. You can work when you want, you can log off when you're done. They also let you bring your own clients and use Proof as sort of your tech layer, which a lot of independent notaries actually do. What does Proof pay? On-demand queue sessions pay $5 per each of those sessions, but if you're bringing your own clients to the platform, then you can pretty much control what you are charging your clients, and then Proof just charges you a small transaction fee per usage of their platform. What does it cost to signers? It is $25 for the first notary seal, which is pretty consistent with the industry standard. Availability across the USA and Canada. Proof is available for most US states for on-demand notaries, and there's also another platform in Canada by the name of Notarize, which does allow notaries to connect and be part of their network and take assignments, but they're actually not the same, so don't get those confused. Real talk though, if you're relying only on Proof queue for income, it can be unpredictable. If you think about it, you're one of the many notaries waiting and competing to get these signings. But I think that if you have this as a secondary platform while you're out there building up your own clientele, then this is a really solid choice. Platform number 3 is BlueNotary, which I know a lot of notaries are personally using because it is pretty popular and fast growing, especially in real estate and anything e-closing. But what actually makes them interesting, and I think the reason why a lot of independent notaries are choosing this platform, is because they actually built this platform for notaries that want to bring in their own clients. So how does it work? There's actually 2 models that you can rely on when you sign up with BlueNotary. First, they have an open call queue, which means that any general notary work and loan signings come directly to you. Second, and this is the part that I like, is BlueNotary allows you to bring in your own clients onto their platform. So your clients will book through your personal session link, which you can have posted on your website or in your email signature, on your social media, or wherever you want to put it. You can have your own branding, your own pricing, your own clients, your own everything, and BlueNotary is basically just what's powering the session. What does it cost notaries? For general notary work, it is $5 for your first seal, and then for your loan closings, your real estate signings, anything that falls into that category, it is $25. But again, when you bring your own clients, you can charge your own prices, and the only thing that you're going to pay for is whatever the small platform fee is. Availability in Canada and the USA. To my knowledge, BlueNotary works across all states, and they don't have any availability in Canada. Just verify your specific jurisdiction's RON requirements before getting started. And why do notaries actually like BlueNotary? It's actually built for somebody running a whole notary practice, not just hustling here and there for signings. Platform number 4 is NotaryCam, and honestly, I'm gonna keep it pretty real with you about this one. NotaryCam has been around for over a decade with over 1.5 million notarizations completed. And in 2020, Stewart Title, which is one of the biggest names in the whole real estate loan closings side of the notary industry, they actually acquired them. So NotaryCam has some pretty serious roots in the real estate and legal world specifically. So how does it work? You pretty much join their network and handle the sessions that come through, primarily from real estate, legal, and financial industries or clients. So think banks, title companies, law firms. They pretty much just match you with the work. Available states, nationwide, they've got a decade of infrastructure behind them. What does it cost signers, and what do you get paid? So again, it starts at around $25 per notarization, which is pretty standard for the notary industry, and you pretty much get paid whatever the fee is in relation to that particular assignment. The standout feature. One of the coolest things about NotaryCam is it supports up to 10 signers per session. So if you're doing complicated signings with multiple signers for real estate closings and things like that, then NotaryCam really comes in handy here. Plus their KBA credit analysis and audit trails are pretty airtight when it comes to compliance. Now, the honest thing, as I said, their platform is pretty old. It's been around for a decade, if not more. It's not the best looking and the most modern in terms of some of the newer remote online notary platforms that are out there. And so no, NotaryCam isn't gonna win any crazy design awards or anything like that, but you know what? It works. So for notaries whose bread and butter is real estate closings and anything related to the real estate industry, then being signed up with a platform like NotaryCam is gonna have that reliability and credibility that you are looking for. Platform number 5, and this one is a little bit personal, y'all. This is NotaryCentral. This is the platform that I personally use in my own notary business. And the reason why I wanna include it is because it solves a problem that a lot of the other platforms that I mentioned in this video don't even really address. NotaryCentral is not a marketplace. It's a full business management platform built specifically for independent notaries who want to run a professional operation under their own brand. And if you're building a business, not just picking up random sessions, then that distinction is going to matter a lot. So how do you get clients? And this one is pretty simple. You bring them yourself. You market your services, clients book you through your personal booking form, and NotaryCentral handles the whole back end. Your scheduling, your automated reminders, your document prep, your payment collection, your RON session, your compliance documentation, everything. Your clients see your name, your branding, your pricing throughout the entire process, and NotaryCentral stays completely invisible. What does it cost notaries? Your first 15 RON sessions are completely free, and this is meant for you to actually test out the platform, make sure it's something that works for you, and you don't have to sign up with a credit card or anything like that. After that, it's $119.95 per year and $19.95 for their digital e-journal, which is also something I have from NotaryCentral too. So that's roughly $140 annually. For signing after that, you're looking at about $3 per platform fee, and when you factor in everything that you're getting from NotaryCentral, I honestly think this is really, really competitive. Available states and provinces. Now, NotaryCentral is a newer remote online notary platform, and so it's currently available in several states and provinces and growing. You'll find their updated list on their website. But what I really want to mention here is NotaryCentral is pretty much the only RON platform that I've come across that actually supports capabilities in Canada, which is why I offer RON services through this platform as a notary based in Ontario. Plus, what I also love about it is they have specific province and state compliance guidelines built right into the platform. Now let's talk about some of the standout features. You've got scheduling, automated appointment reminders, KBA and biometric identity verification, tamper-evident electric notary journal, invoicing, session recordings, mileage and expense tracking, tax reporting tools, and so much more all in one place. And honestly, if you're a notary like me that's offering mobile notary, online notary, apostille, translation, document preparation, loan closings, I don't even know if I'm missing anything else, but when you're offering that many services, having one platform that tracks and manages everything is completely a game changer. Okay, Blueprint fam, those are the top 5 RON platforms that I have for you for 2026. And all in all, the right platform genuinely depends on where you are right now and where you're trying to go. And you don't have to pick just one. Many notaries are signed up with multiple RON platforms to ensure that they're able to get a variety of work that supports their lifestyle and their business model. I personally would love to know, what platform are you currently using and what platform do you have your eye on? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. It takes about 2 seconds and genuinely helps other notaries to be able to find content like this, and also supports me in being able to create more videos for you on this channel. And speaking of my channel, make sure that you subscribe if you haven't. Oh, and turn on those post notifications so that you are the first to know the next time that something new drops. And a shameless plug for you here: if you are serious about growing your notary business and you need support, accountability, resources, templates, scripts, courses, live trainings, all those kinds of things, then you're going to want to join me inside of the Notary Blueprint community, because all those things that I just mentioned, yeah, they are inside there for you. Now, this is not just another notary community where you join and you're not able to actually get results or see any changes in your business. The notaries that are in this community are doing the real work and are seeing the real results every single day. The link to join is in the description box, and I would genuinely love to see you in there. All right, y'all, go get those RON signings, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.